Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at subtraction of fractions. In case you did not watch the lesson about addition of fractions, I have put a link in the description part. You can click on it and learn more about addition of fractions. For now, let us look at subtraction of fractions. Now, with example 1, we have subtract 10 out of 12 minus 2 out of 12. So, in this figure, you can see that 10 parts have been shaded. And out of 10 parts, we have taken away 2 parts. We take away 2 parts. Okay, so if we take away 2 parts, we will remain with 8 parts out of 12. So in this, it is actually the same as 10 out of 12 minus 2 out of 12 equals 8 out of 12. So to subtract fractions, 1, we must make sure that the denominators are the same. You can see we have 12 and we have 12. Now, when they are the same, we keep the same denominator and subtract the numerators, and we come up with 8. So you see, 10 minus 2 equals 8. So altogether, we get 8 out of 12. So this means that we must check if the denominators are same. If they are not same, we can use the idea of equivalent fractions to make sure that the denominators are the same. In example 2, subtract 2 out of 5 minus 3 out of 10. So you see that for this example, the denominators are not the same. So what we have to do is to make sure that these denominators are the same. So we will get 5 times 2 and then 2 times 2. In that case, we will come up with 4 out of 10 minus 3 out of 10. Remember that 2 out of 5 is the same as 4 out of 10. So, since now the denominators are the same, we can keep the denominator and subtract the numerators, such that we get 1 out of 10. In example 2, let's have 5 out of 6 minus 1 out of 3. So still, you see that the denominators are not the same. Here we have got 6, but here we have got 3. So, for that case, let's have 5 out of 6 minus 1 times 2 and 3 times 2. And in that case, we will get 5 out of 6 minus 2 out of 6. Remember that 1 out of 3 is the same as 2 out of 6. These are just equivalent fractions. And now you see that the denominators are the same. So we can keep the denominator and subtract the numerators. Now we can also see that 3 out of 6 is actually the same as 1 out of 2. So you can see how we can subtract the fractions. Let us move on to example number 4. We have got 3.5 minus 3 out of 4. This is actually 3 plus a half minus 3 out of 4. Now you see that we have got the denominators that are not same. This is 2, but this is 4. So in that case, let's have 2 times 2 and 1 times 2 such that we come up with 3 plus 2 out of 4 minus 3 out of 4. You see that the denominators are the same. So we can get 2 plus 4 out of 4. This is actually because we cannot get 2 minus 3. 2 is small, 3 is big. So we just get another 1 to add it on 2 out of 4, such that we get 6 out of 4. So that will be 2 and 3 out of 4. So that will be our answer. In part 5, let us subtract 3 and 7 out of 10 minus 1 and 2 out of 5. Okay? So in that case, you see that we have 7 out of 10, we have 2 out of 5. These denominators are not same. So we can multiply 5 by 2 and 2 by 2 such that we get 1 and 4 out of 10. So then we get 3 whole number minus 1 whole number, and then we get 7 out of 10 minus 4 out of 10. So we get 2 and 3 out of 10. So with this lesson, I believe that you can be able to subtract fractions. To get more examples and practice questions about this lesson, get this textbook and go to page 51 to 58. In the next lesson, we will see how to solve word problems involving fractions. Thank you.